Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to calibrate your touch screen. Now you want to do that in case you're having problems with the screen, right? When you press it nothing happens, or if it's not centered. So for example, if you want to turn on the heated seat and you have to press maybe left or right to it to have it activated, or in case the touch screen is not working at all at a specific spot on the screen. I will show you what you can try doing. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 to 2019 and Ford Tauruses equipped with Ford Sync 2. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to fix the touch screen, first you have to access the hidden dealer menu, and you will do that by pressing and holding together the CD eject button and the right SIG button. Okay, so hold them for maybe 5 seconds and that will start the speaker test. Now you can stop the test by pushing the end test button here, and that will get you to the menu. Now in the menu you want to select the first option, APIM Diagnostics, and on the right side you will have a bunch of different tests and options. Now I will repeat, you do this only in case you really have problems with the screen, because if you mess something up then you could create problems for yourself, right? So do this only in case you have issues. Now first I will show you. You have the calibration and the activation test. Now the activation test will actually, you can test the screen to make sure that whole screen is actually working. Now I'm not sure if you can see this, there's a bunch of small squares, and each square I press, it's gonna turn blue. Now this is the activation test, but if your touch screen is not working, you want to select the calibration test. In the calibration test, what you have to do, you have to press onto the this X mark, right, and keep holding it, and that way you will center your touch screen, and this X mark will move all around the screen. Okay, now it's down. I'm gonna press down, so you'll have maybe like 10 points or so, and this is the way you can calibrate it, right? So just make sure to press in the center of it. One more on the top. Okay, and that's pretty much it, how you do it. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.